Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Mico. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Mico application. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on your followings. Tap on the profile that you want to report. Tap on 3 vertical dot on the top right corner. Tap on Report User on the second row. Here you need to select a reason for reporting the account. I am going to select a random one. Also, you need to provide detailed information about the reason for reporting the account. I am going to write randomly. And then finally tap on Submit in order to report the account. And that is how you can easily report someone on Mico. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.